Welcome back. And now we have plugged in the AR-3500 100-watt model here. And we're going to see what we get here. We should have that display digit should be a little bit out. We should have receive. We'll go ahead and find out. Here we go. Now with these radios you need about, I'd say, 10 to 15 minutes. Let all the parts warm up inside here, get it all warmed up. So we're going to go ahead and pause and come back afterwards. Warmed up radio. So we got a little bit of conditions, and it's working. That's one of the biggest challenges. She's a little dusty, and she is a very nice girl. And yeah, from about 86, I'd say. So yeah, she is not that young. But she is very pretty. I do like the black, and I do like it being the red ones. I think I have another one of them. But yeah, it's warmed up nicely inside here. So we're on good frequency here. And we do have that digit display out. And we do have, this is one of the annoying things, but there's an easy fix, is the panel beep. Sometimes it gets in the way if you're scanning in somebody, or trying to tune them in, maybe up on the ham band, and you're up here and you start using this to try it overrides what they're you're just trying to tune them in, and you're hearing a beep in the process. So yeah, this could get quite annoying. It's very easy to fix. Well, we have to go in there anyway for this LED here. So we're going to take a look at that and see what's been done or maybe not been done inside the radio. Well, we all heard it receive, so that's a great thing. Minus this little cosmetic issue. It's not a big issue. We can get in there and fix that. But we want to see the meter porn. It's what we're all tuned in for. I understand it's not a problem. That is what we're about. How much does it do? How much does it do? So let's find out. So we're hooked up to the bird meter here, both 200-watt slugs. We have the peak kit off. That will be the peak meter. This is just our average. We're going to go ahead and just, we'll just go ahead and turn the peak on. So yeah, put the light in the front. It still doesn't matter. Sometimes I forget to turn that off. Undoing all this for the 9-volt battery. I do have to extend that outside the unit. That is just awful. I just need a little Velcro and be done with it. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and just see what's going on with this radio. So let's go ahead and do this meter porn real quick. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. My beautiful singing voice. So we're averaging about 60, and then we peaking. Audio in the corner. You know what that means? We got to take that 100-watt slug and make it a 200-watt slug. So this whole meter readings now times 2, so that over here we're at 200 watts. And then you can divvy it down from there. So let's go ahead and see what we're doing. Audio. Yeah, we're a little under 120 watts peak sideband. Beautiful 2290s. Should be 2 of them in this amp in the back. But we have to fix this display. And just look inside this. So I'm going to go ahead and come back after I do all that. Let me make sure I turn the peak kit off. And I'm going to go ahead and just pop the covers. I'm not going to film all that. Everyone knows how to take the 8 screws out, and after I get all through and to a point, I'll come back. So yeah, powerhouse.